FameLab, Talking Science.
2 weeks back, Tim Cook had introduced to us the new MacBook and the iWatch. Pretty expensive stuff. And throughout his presentation, there was a 2-minute video on how beautifully they selected the aluminum alloys. It's all about lightweight. So he did stress on the fact of portability. Portability was the core concept of designing the iWatch and the new MacBook. Portability and lightweight are kind of synonymous terms. There is a lot of research happening all over the world with aluminum and titanium. But what if I introduce you to a material that is half the density of aluminum and 1/4 the density of steel? Welcome to the friendly neighborhood biodegradable Mülleimer. This is a hexagonal structure of magnesium. Magnesium is one of the lightest structural metals available to us. This guy can give a very tough competition to the other materials that are there in its strength to weight ratio. But why is magnesium not being used? Well, as you can see, it's hexagonal, so it's highly anisotropic. Now, when you deform a metal, there are slip systems activated. In magnesium, it is the basal plane that gets activated. As a result, when you roll a material, if all these crystals get stacked like that, and when you try to deform it, for example, to make the door of a car, it cannot deform because there is low stress activation in the C direction. What will happen? It's going to crack and fracture. We have to find a solution to everything. That's what we do. You can heat the sheet to a higher temperature and then undergo deformation. But I don't think you would pay 10,000 euros extra for a car whose doors are made of magnesium. That's not going to happen. What else can you do? You can add solute atoms that dissolve in magnesium and sit around this crystal, creating these elastic constraints or energies that result in other slip systems to get activated and can get deformed easily. That's a pretty good solution. So imagine you are sitting at home on your bed, and your phone is on your table, and your wife or your girlfriend gives you a call, and you are too tired or drunk to not answer the phone, but you have to talk to her. Apple might come out with a product where your phone just flies around and sits in the palm of your hand, and you can talk for hours after that. Problem solved. Magnesium can solve a lot of problems regarding lightweight and a lot of other problems too. So possibilities are endless. Think lightweight, think magnesium. Thank you.